There is a crisis that nobody talks about: men's sexual performance. Many men today can't last even 20 minutes, and that's why their women cheat. Let's discuss a few ways you can improve your sexual performance in just 30 days. Number 1. Exercise to improve sexual stamina. One of the best ways to improve your health is through cardiovascular exercise. Sex may increase your heart rate, but regular exercise can keep your heart in shape, which helps your sexual performance. Try to perform at least 75-150 minutes trusted source of sweat-breaking exercise each week, spread out over multiple days. Activities such as swimming and running can do wonders to boost your libido. Also, avoid sitting for long periods. If you're not yet exercising regularly, you can slowly work up to these goals over time. 4 types of exercise that can boost your physical ability and stamina are: endurance. Aerobic activities such as swimming, biking, and brisk walking can help you build endurance. Learn how endurance compares to stamina. Strength. Strengthen your muscles by lifting weights, using elastic bands, or performing push-ups. Balance. Improve your balance and lower body strength through Tai Chi, heel-to-toe walking, or standing on one foot. Flexibility. Stretching specific parts of the body is a great way to warm up before an activity and become more flexible. Number 2. Eat these foods. Certain foods can also help you increase blood flow and improve stamina. Carbohydrates. The American Heart Association, a trusted source, recommends eating a balanced diet with more complex carbohydrates than simple ones if you want to maintain good energy levels. In addition, one study shows that a low intake of carbohydrates before attempting endurance exercise can limit your performance. Fruits and vegetables. A diet high in fruits can lower your risk of high blood pressure. According to a Swedish study trusted source comparing blood pressure at home to blood pressure at the office, the following fruits are particularly beneficial: apples, pears, oranges, and other types of citrus. Adding more vegetables to the diet is always a good idea too. Omega-3 fatty acids. This type of fat increases blood flow. One of the best sources is fish, which the AHA trusted source recommends eating at least twice a week for good heart health. Get your omega-3 seconds through foods like salmon, anchovies, black cod, herring, whitefish, cobia, fortified eggs, flax seeds, vitamin D. According to a literature review, foods high in vitamin D may help lower your risk of severe ED or heart disease. The vitamin enhances blood flow, reduces oxidative stress, and lowers cholesterol. Good sources of vitamin D include tuna, eggs, fortified products such as cereal and milk, mushrooms. Number 3. Increase your melatonin levels. The hormone melatonin helps us sleep and has a variety of other benefits. Lower melatonin levels are also associated with higher rates of ED. Your body produces melatonin naturally, but it's also available in foods like pistachios. Most people wanting to increase their melatonin levels look to products like supplements. Number 4. Try these natural remedies. For years, people have turned to natural aphrodisiacs to help boost libido and sexual performance. Natural remedies to consider include yohimbine. Yohimbine is a tree bark extract that promotes better erectile function by increasing blood flow to the penis. Caffeine. According to one study, men who consumed caffeine before an athletic activity were able to produce more power. Caffeine's stimulant effects also increase their stamina. Ginseng. Ginseng is one of the most popular herbal remedies for people looking to enhance their overall physical health. It can enhance sexual stamina too. Number 5. Reduce your stress. Stress can affect all areas of your health, including your libido. It increases your heart rate in an unhealthy way, and your blood pressure. Both of these are damaging to sexual desire and performance. Stress can also affect your ability to achieve an erection or reach orgasm. Stress can trigger unhealthy habits such as alcohol consumption or smoking, which can harm your sexual performance. Exercise is a great way to reduce stress and enrich your health. Talking with your partner about your stressors can also calm you down while strengthening your relationship at the same time. Number 6. Kick unhealthy habits. Habits you rely on to unwind, such as consuming alcohol and smoking, could harm your sexual performance. Replacing these habits with healthier ones, such as exercising and eating well, can help boost your sexual health. While a 2017 study trusted source suggests that a little red wine can promote better circulation, too much alcohol can have adverse effects. Keep your alcohol intake at a moderate level. Cigarette smoking narrows your blood vessels, increasing your risk of impotence. Cutting back or quitting smoking is one of the most important steps you can take toward better performance. Number 7. Practice the start-stop technique. Maintaining stamina during sex may also include preventing premature ejaculation. If you ejaculate within 1 minute of the start of partnered sexual activity, practicing the start-stop technique during masturbation may help. Stopping stimulation to the penis right before orgasm can reduce your urge to ejaculate too soon. Over time, you can learn to control your orgasms and improve your stamina while with your partner. Number 8. Pay attention to your partner. Sex isn't a one-way street. Paying special attention to your partner's desires has sex pleasurable and can help turn you on or slow you down. Alternating pace or focusing on your partner while taking a break can make a more enjoyable experience for you. Talking about sex beforehand can also ease any awkwardness if you need to slow down during a heated moment. Increasing your sexual stamina may weigh on your mind, but know that there's no simple fix. Also, the body naturally loses its staying power with age. There's good news though. Taking steps to improve your sexual stamina can help your overall health and wellness too. It's a win-win. Staying active, eating healthy foods, and dropping some habits are key to better sexual experiences for you and your partner. It's never a wrong decision to exercise, eat right, and enjoy your sex life to the fullest. If you've made it this far, you're already taking the first step toward improving your life, and not just in the bedroom. Remember, sexual performance isn't just about stamina. It's about overall health, confidence, and connection with your partner. By incorporating these tips, like exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, and managing stress, you're not only boosting your performance, but also investing in your long-term health and happiness. If you found value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips to help you live your best life. And if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next, drop it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay confident, and keep thriving.